Hey guys, in this week's video, we are going to loom knit a dog sweater. So here is the sweater, or the dog that the sweater's for, Willow. So cute. So I've got 41 peg loom, hook. I'm gonna be doing it in this, I love this yarn, denim ombre. I am following a tutorial from, I think it's 2T8, Tuteate on YouTube, and it's just called How to Loom Knit a Dog Sweater / Coat DIY tutorial. So I'll just kind of show you little progresses as I'm following along, and hopefully at the end we'll have a cute sweater for Willow. She's super excited. Okay, it seems like the first step is like you make the collar. So I measured her, and I need 22 inches. So you just start with 6 and you like knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and you're basically gonna make a long neck straight line that's 22 inches long. At least that's what I need for her Willow. And then we'll see what's from there. Okay. I got the neck piece. So it goes like this. And then the next part, I need to measure her chest area, like where her arms need to split. Mark it and put it back on the loom and stitch it from there. But it's already pretty late. I ended up doing 19 inches for her, just because it is a little stretchy. And then it also like depends too, like when she was laying down, it's like 22, but when she's standing up, it's like 18. So I just did 19 inches just to be safe. But I'll just keep working on this and show you progresses along the way. Okay, I rewatched the video. We're making like the back, so it's like that part of the dog. So I've got it like marked, and I'm gonna reloom it, and then you just do the purl left, E-wrap right until you get the length you need, which I think she's like 13 inches, but I'm gonna do like 12 and then try it on her and see. So let you know.
Let's go.
Okay, Willow. Right, that's what I got so far. The next part, I need to go measure it. But you're gonna do like the chest, so it's like this. And then we're gonna do like this underneath part. So, yeah. Okay. Here's the body. I think I definitely made the neck chest part way too far. And then I got the buttons. So I'm gonna put it on Willow and show you guys. Willow. And then we button this on. Sorry, I lost my voice where I would explain it more, but I'll just show a video of it on Willow. Can you sit?
But,
Willow, sit.
Sit. That's a good girl.
Good girl. You want to go run around
and
outside?
I both went in on it. But...
So cute. Okay, final thoughts. I think I just need to use thicker yarn because this is a little too stretchy. Like, it fits her good and everything. I think it's just the yarn itself is too stretchy, so it just looks awkward because this part doesn't stay tight. It like loosens up and it just like falls down like way low on her neck. So other than that, I think it's stitched out pretty well. Like, I feel like I get my tension pretty nice. But yeah. So in this video, all I did was make her sweater. It did take me 2 attempts, but that's okay. I finished her sweaters. This one definitely fits. This one is way too big on the chest area, so maybe I can like sew it up a little or something so it's just not so long. I don't know why I thought that was gonna fit. Looking at it now, it clearly is way too big. Next, what I want to do, I've got 2 paintings in mind that I want to paint. One's like a rooster thing, and then one's, I don't know. I just have a background idea. I don't know what I want to put on the foreground yet, but I got a list of like craft ideas. So most of them are beanies. One's like a checkerboard blanket. I did figure out what kind of blanket I want to do for my baby that I'm having soon, but I'm not going to finish it in time because I am already 35 weeks pregnant, and it's an English paper piecing quilt, and I've never done English paper piecing, so, and I still got to get the fabrics and all of that fun stuff, so that'll be in like a long process video, but I'll eventually do it. I think for next week I might just work on the paintings. I might start that tonight, maybe tomorrow. I'll keep you updated, but thanks for sticking around for the whole video. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything like specific you want to see me do, let me know. Other than that, thanks for watching. Bye.